Here it is, guys, my new lip for the M6. You guys can already see how aggressive it is. Just for reference, the bumper actually ends right here, and you guys can see how much carbon's already sticking out. I was thinking if they made this exact same lip but filled in the middle with carbon fiber all the way across, it would be so aggressive, but it would look kind of funny because this front lip kind of mimics the actual front bumper on the car because it has the fangs pointing out on each side. So I think that's gonna look cool. It's gonna kind of flow with everything going on. But yeah, guys, check out that carbon fiber finish. It is so clean. You know, being that I own a carbon fiber company, I just couldn't help it. I was like, you know what, we gotta put some on the car. I was gonna start off really small. I was gonna do like a trunk lip and mirror cap, but I was like, let's go for the big thing. Let's put a front lip on. I recently picked up a black badge from BMW. Like I was telling you guys in the last video, I'm not a huge fan of chrome. So all the chrome on the car will be getting deleted. And I just wanna say again, I don't hate chrome. It's just not my cup of tea. If you like chrome, then that's cool, you know. To each their own, guys. Like, this is just my personal opinion. So yeah, guys, enough of me talking. Let's go downstairs and let's get this lip and badge on the car. Before we head outside, guys, I wanted to show you these quick little mods I picked up for the interior. So right here we got the red start and stop button. It's in a nice red finish. I think it's gonna look really clean. I know they offered this button in other finishes as well, but I had to go with the red. I had the same color in my M2 competition, and believe it or not, that actually comes standard with the M2 competition. So I had to pick it up for the M6. And then we got the M1 and M2 button right here. These are pretty much your go fast buttons on your M Sport steering wheel. So these are cool little interior mods you guys can do to spice up your interior. I had to get them. They weren't that expensive at all. Just wanted to show you guys real quick before we head out. All right, guys, so now we're downstairs in the garage. I just want to show you guys the M6. It looks hella stock. We still got that monster truck fitment going on right here. We got the black wheels, but since we're changing out the badge in the back to black, this needs to go very soon. So I'm trying my best to get rid of all the chrome ASAP. So we're gonna tackle that next. We need to put some carbon fiber mirror caps on here very soon. You know, I own a carbon fiber company and I do have these in stock. It's just something I haven't changed out yet. Maybe some carbon fiber side skirts coming soon too as well. This paint matched trunk lip needs to go too. I'm just not a fan of paint match stuff. Today we'll be changing this out for sure. It is the chrome M6 badge. I think the chrome with the Singapore gray just doesn't look that good. If the car was white, you could probably get away with it, but I kind of want to go for that stealthy look of more darker colors. So the black with the Singapore gray is gonna go a lot better together. Also, guys, I did a front mod that I promised I filmed it, guys, but the footage actually got deleted. This is a very important mod, and I think this needs to be done on all BMWs. Was I changed out the front grills to gloss black. You guys seen in my last video where they were chrome, but just by changing these grills out, it literally brought this bumper to life. It looks 1,000 times better in my opinion. If you guys see my last video, you guys would know that these grills were previously chrome, and I think the black just looks so much better. What do you guys think? For all you M6 owners out there, do you guys think the gloss black looks better? Like I said, I filmed the video, guys. I was about to edit it, but I accidentally formatted my SD card too early and the footage got deleted. So these are the gloss black grills that look 1,000 times better with the Singapore gray, and I'm just like, finally, this bumper is coming to life. It's starting to look a lot better, and there is hope for the M6 front bumper. So typically, guys, all BMW badges or emblems are held on with some type of double-sided adhesive. So what I'm gonna do is use some fishing wire so I can pry the emblem off. Then after, I gotta clean up any excess residue that's left on the actual paint, and then just apply double-sided tape to the new emblem and stick it on. It's fairly easy, guys. It's not that hard. You guys can do it yourself. All right, guys, so I actually heated up the emblem a little with the heat gun just to loosen up that adhesive. Next, just get your fishing wire, find an edge, and just start going through. You guys will see how easy it comes off. Wow, that was like unbelievably easy. But it literally lifted all the residue. Hopefully this comes off in one take. Just like that, guys. So simple. Say bye to the nasty chrome M6 badge. All right, guys, so here's the black one and the chrome one. Which one do you guys think look better? If you like the chrome one, that's okay. Just personally, I think the black looks a lot more stealthier. It's gonna go a lot better with the Singapore gray. Okay, guys, so I finally have the black badge on. It looks so much better. I think the black contrast is better with the Singapore gray, like I was saying earlier, and just looks a lot cleaner. It looks more stealthier in the back. All right, guys, so we're moving on to the lip install now. So one thing I think we need to do is lift up the car in the front. Even though the car is pretty high, I still don't have enough clearance to get underneath. And I don't know if you guys can see right here. Let me focus. There's this rubber lip underneath. I think it's held on by all OEM bolts underneath because I put some force on it. It's not coming off at all. I thought it was like a double-sided adhesive like the badges. I think when installing this, I'm gonna use double-sided tape for sure, self-tapping screws, and possibly nut and bolt if I can get under there, because I do not want to take this whole bumper off just to put a lip on. It's gonna be a pain in the ass, but we'll see how the install goes, guys. That's just a little update on what's gonna happen right now. All right, so we got the car temporarily up. We got a lot of clearance underneath. We got the jacks on both sides. So if you look underneath, this is my first time looking too, guys. So this is that rubber lip, let me focus. And it's held on by these bolts all the way down. So if you have an M6 and you're watching this video, you're gonna put a lip on, I think this is a mandatory part that needs to come off. So I'm gonna undo all these bolts. I'm gonna figure out what size it is. I'm pretty sure it's the same as all BMWs. I'm gonna take them off all the way down. All right guys, so quick update. I'm gonna be applying double-sided tape across the whole top portion of the lip. Then I'm gonna attach the lip to the bumper. I'm gonna put some self-tapping screws on it. And then I undid the bolts right back here, if you guys can see. So once the lip is on, I'm gonna put my hand back here, squeeze it underneath somehow. I'm gonna drill 1 or 2 holes in. I'm gonna do nut and bolt right here just so it's extrally secured. And then possibly do it at the edge over there as well. Okay guys, so the lip is on right now. It's held on by double-sided tape and self-tapping screws. And to be 100% honest, it is on there firm. Like, I'm wiggling it very hard. The car's even shaking. So I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. What I'm gonna do is though, I'm gonna make more holes underneath. You guys can see there's one right here. There's one right here. And then there's this big gap in the middle. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this big drill bit and drill 2 holes out, one right here and one right here. So there'll be a total of 4 in the middle at least to hold it up. Eventually guys, I'm gonna take the bumper off so I can do nut and bolt all the way through. But I think since this bumper never had any holes drilled through it, that's why the self-tapping screws are holding on so tight. Luckily I put the double-sided tape in the beginning too, because I actually wasn't planning on doing it, because I don't know if you guys ever saw the carbon fiber part. You know, once you remove the part, that double-sided tape is a pain in the ass to come off. So that's something I didn't want to deal with, but it's actually helping a lot right now.
Hours later.
Okay guys, finally we have the front lip on and it looks so good. The front bumper looks 100 times better now, 1,000 times better. You guys can see underneath right there, full carbon fiber front lip. It literally brought this bumper to life. Without the front lip, with the chrome grills, it made the bumper look outdated. Now we got the gloss black grills, the front lip, and it literally just completely transformed the car. Even from this angle, it looks so good now. Seriously, that gap needs to go, but we're gonna save that for another video. But what do you guys think? Let me know down below. I can't get over how good it looks, guys. Oh my gosh. Here's a far away view, as you guys can see. Imagine this car aired out, even though this is a full performance car. I know people are gonna hate, but imagine it on air suspension, fully aired out, lip on the floor. I think it would look absolutely nuts. So yeah guys, pretty much gonna end it for today's video. We did the lip install, looks a billion times better. Let's move on to the back. Let's show you guys the badge one more time, even though I already showed you guys. We got the black badge. And then also for the next video guys, I don't know if you could tell from right here, but my tips look different. I possibly did something with the exhaust, but you guys don't have to find it on the next video. That'll be out in the next few days, so make sure to subscribe guys, make sure to like, make sure to comment. If you guys have any questions on the slip or anything, if you guys are looking for carbon fiber for your BMW, definitely hit me up. This is my company, AA Concepts. Gosh, this interior needs to be clean. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That's gonna end it for today guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. you.